Our activity today is about mix of your learning on a previous exercise.
We will be using
The practice chart or 001, and we will start from here, the vicinity of 50 degrees north, 6 degrees to west. The first activity, we will gonna locate the waypoint 1, which is a given around here. Then we will have to take an LOP. We will determine the LOP to Manakol point, somewhere there. And after that, we will locate the waypoint 2, somewhere over there. And we will draw the course line, determine the course, and then have a fix by cross bearing simultaneous bearing of the object at 1900. So we will begin from 1800, 1900 until we arrive at waypoint 2 at 1920, 100. And then from waypoint 2 we will have a new course 070
going northeast.
and we will have a dead reckoning exercise. So just remember your exercises, previous 5 exercises, and you will have no problem in making this task. And I will show you both electronically and physically. So just learn, observe, because you will have a return demo as your class standing on this module part 1, module 2 part 1 of midterm. So relax and observe.
This is the practice chart 001, which will be used in our mix exercise.
Now I will show you the electronic copy or the mix plotting activity. So first, the requirements is to locate the given waypoint. Waypoint 1, latitude 50 degrees 03 minutes north, and longitude 005 degrees 56 minutes west. So this is 50 degrees 01, 02, 03.2.4. So this is the line of latitude. Longitude, we have 6 degrees, getting smaller. So the 5 degrees is on the right side. 5 degrees, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 56 minutes. So this is the longitude line. When it crosses, it has the fix or the position. Next is plotting LOP. So plotting LOP, draw a line from Manakol point, which is 60.264 degrees. It's too quick. So it is LOP of Manakol point is 264 from the vessel, from your ship. The next task is to locate waypoint 2 at 50 degrees 09 minutes north, longitude 5 degrees 52.4 west. This one, as you can see, 50, and this is 10, this is 09, the latitude line, and 5 here, 50 minutes, 51, 52.2.4. The intersection are waypoint 2. The location of waypoint 2. The next task is to draw a line. Draw the course line from waypoint 1 to waypoint 2 and determine the course. It is course
equals 0 to 2 degrees true. So 0 to 2 degrees true. The next task is to make a simultaneous observation of two objects, the St. Anthony head and the grip point, which is St. Anthony head here, grip point here. So the bearing during the observation is St. Anthony head is 285 degrees true, and the grip point is 337 degrees true. So let's plot St. Anthony head 285. So let's pick a line 285 here, 285. Let's bring that to St. Anthony head, and the grip point is 337. We will measure 337 here, bring that to the grip point. The intersection is your fix. Your fix at 1900 hours. You can see the observation is 1900 hours. So another requirement is the coordinates of fix of 1900. So the coordinate is latitude here. So it is 50 degrees, 5 minutes, 6, 7.8 minutes. So, and longitude is 5, 45, 50, 51, 52.2. Middle of 4 and 2 is 3. So, our coordinate is 50 degrees, 7.8 minutes north, and longitude 5 degrees, 52.3 west. That's the location of your fix. So now we are off track. So, and the next task is to determine the course back to waypoint 2. Back to waypoint 2. So let's have the course. Let's measure it. The course is 356. 356. Course to steer to waypoint 2. So now, as your ship arrived in waypoint 2, here at 1920, the next instruction is to lay down the new course of 070 degrees true. So let's measure here 070. This is 60, this is 90, this is 80, this is 60, 70, 80. So this is 070. Bring that to your waypoint 2. So now you have the new course line. Let's make a dead reckoning. If your speed is 5 knots, determine the location of your ship at 100 hours using dead reckoning method. So your ship is here at waypoint. You are asked, where is the ship using dead reckoning at 2020? It's very simple. You have now the direction. Then all you have to do is plot the speed of your ship, which is 5 knots. So 5 knots is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Measure it here. And this one is your DR 2020 hours. So, is that easy? So this is now the final
product of the electronic plotting. So we start from here in waypoint 1, and then once we find out, we get the LOP of Manakol Point, then we locate waypoint 2 about here, and we make a simultaneous cross bearing to St. Anthony Head and Grib Point, and we have a fix at 1900. And after that, we are off course. We are off course from the from our course line. Then we correct it. We have a course to steer of 356, and now we arrive waypoint 2 at 1920. From waypoint 2, we have a new course. We plotted a new course which is 070 true northeast. And after that, we have a dead reckoning, which the speed of our vessel is 5 knots. And after that, we found out the DR position at 2020 100 hour. It's that simple. You have to use all your knowledge with our previous exercises 1 to 5. So that's it. The next is the physical plotting, the actual plotting of this exercise.